Hello, I'm Dr. Caldwell with Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians, and today I'd like to help you better understand cat medications. Together with my assistant Ariana, who's going to be asking some questions, together we hope to help you better understand why certain medications may be prescribed for your cat.
Dr. Caldwell, are prescriptions generally more effective than other over-the-counter medications?
When it comes to veterinary medicine, absolutely these prescriptions are going to be more beneficial and more efficacious than over the counter medications. The reason for it is that we're going to be able to specifically target and prescribe medications for certain ailments. And it's not just going to be something over the counter that would be generally safe for a lot of pets. It's going to be something that we're specifically treating a pet for.
Can my cat get what they need from diet alone?
Your cat can get a lot of what it needs from diet alone, but not necessarily everything. A good diet is going to be the foundation for a happy, healthy life. However, certain things happen. We get parasites, diarrhea, things like that, in which case we need to treat with certain medications.
What are different types of cat medications used to treat?
Well, there's a lot of different type of cat medications. There's antibiotics for bacterial infections. There's antifungals for fungal medications. We have different pain medications. We have allergy injections and things like that. So, as far as the different types we have, they are multiple, but it really just depends on what we're trying to treat.
Do you have any tips on how to give my cat their medicine?
Well, it really just depends on what type of medicine that we're trying to give them. Medicine comes in many different forms. It comes in pills, it comes in capsules, it comes in liquids that you can squirt into their mouth. There are certain injectables that we have to give. There's also even variations of some of these medications that can be made into a transdermal, meaning that you rub the medication on the inside surface of the ear and it can get absorbed through there. Certain medications can be hidden, like the pills and the capsules, they can be hidden in little treats. Sometimes, depending on the medication, capsules can be broken open and sprinkled onto a little bit of food. And then, of course, certain medications, if we have to get them made, they can get made into certain flavors, in which case we can try to trick the animal that way.
Why is it important to avoid self-diagnosing my cat's needs for pain medication?
When it comes to self-diagnosing, it's so difficult, especially in cats. They're very subtle creatures. If you think that they're painful, definitely let a veterinarian know. But sometimes we diagnose pain just on other clinical signs. Sometimes they'll have a little bit of a rougher hair coat near their rear end, and that can be signs of arthritis because they can't physically bend around and groom themselves as much. Sometimes they just seem to be sleeping a little bit more, but it turns out they're actually arthritic and painful and they don't want to get up and move around. So subtle changes can mean really big things, and your veterinarian is going to know kind of what to look for in those situations.
Why is early detection so crucial in getting a good result from my cat medications?
Early detection is going to be crucial in just about every aspect of animal care. If there's infections, the sooner we can get on top of it with appropriate medications, the better. Any pain or anything else like that, if we can prevent pain, ultimately that's the ultimate goal. We like to be proactive as opposed to reactive in these situations.
Why should I purchase cat medications from my veterinarian instead of through an online pharmacy?
It's going to be important that you purchase medications from a certified pharmacy. That's the most important thing. Now, there are several certified pharmacies that are online. In fact, Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians uses one of their own that we contract with, and they do a great job. Other online pharmacies, though, that there are some major ones that I'm sure a lot of people have heard of. They're not certified, therefore, you do not know if the product you're getting is an actual approved product. So it could be a counterfeit product or something shipped in from overseas that has no regulations on how it's made. Well, I hope this answers some questions. If you have anything else we can do for you or answer for you, give us a call at Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians.